Hi and welcome. Today I want to paint this beautiful and very easy skyscape in just 5 minutes, using only 3 colors and 4 brushes. I have a flat brush to wet the paper and 3 round brushes, large, medium and small. The 3 colors I'm using are cobalt blue, cobalt mixed with indigo, and cerulean blue. I have 2 glasses of water, one for clean water to wet the paper and the other for rinsing brushes. I also have a cloth and a test paper to check the color before applying it to the painting. I start by taping the horizon line to keep it straight and clean. Then I paint the sky using the wet into wet technique. I wet the sky with the flat brush and clean water. It's important to remove excess water and color from the edges to prevent damage to the painting. First, I apply cerulean blue from top to bottom, with brush strokes from left to right and vice versa. I repeat the process with cobalt blue, a darker tone, to create more contrast and depth. I only load the brush once and paint the second layer. I tape the horizon line again, then wet the paper to paint the sea using wet into wet technique. The first color I use is cobalt blue, applied with the larger brush and a few brush strokes. To create depth and achieve correct perspective, I use lighter values near the horizon and gradually transition to darker tones away from the horizon line. Darker tones can be made by adding more paint. Don't forget to remove excess color from the edges. Now I'm going to paint layers of waves, each time using darker and richer values by adding more indigo. I use the medium-sized brush for this step. This time I start painting waves from the bottom up to the horizon line in order to create depth and a smooth transition. Extra color on the brush can be removed using a paper tissue. To add more life and tell a romantic story, I paint 2 seabirds. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel. Good luck!